Hi guys, welcome to Writing 101. Today we're going to be focusing on conjunctions. So starting off, what is a conjunction? A conjunction is a part of a speech that connects two words, phrases, or clauses. The two types of conjunctions are subordinate conjunction and coordinating conjunctions. So a coordinating conjunction connects two independent phrases, words, or clauses. An easy way to remember the different type of coordinating conjunctions is the acronym FANBOYS. So this stands for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. So a few examples of coordinating conjunctions in sentences are stated here. So the first one is you can eat your cake with a spoon or fork. So here or is stating the two different um objects you can use to eat a cake with. Next we have my dog enjoys being bathed but hates getting his nails trimmed. So here we have two independent clauses being separated through the phrase but. The third sentence, my dad always worked hard so we could afford the things we wanted. So continues the two independent clauses. And our last sentence, neither the black dress nor the gray one looks right on me. So here, nor compares the black dress with the gray one. Okay, so we have the second type of conjunction here. It's called a subordinating conjunction. This connects a dependent clause with an independent clause. And this is different from the last one because the last conjunction connected an independent with another independent clause. So a few words and examples that are included under subordinating conjunctions include after, although, as, because, before, how, if, and there's multiple more which we'll see in the examples following. So here we have the subordinating conjunctions in sentence form. So our first sentence is he works hard so that he can provide everything we need. So here so that is our subordinating conjunction. Keep in mind that subordinating conjunctions don't necessarily need to be one word. They can be a phrase. So the next sentence is I trust him because he is a trustworthy person. Because connects the first clause with the second clause. The next sentence is my life will be blessed if I fulfill his dreams. So here my life will be blessed is an independent clause, and if I fulfill his dreams is a dependent clause, which is why it's a subordinating conjunction. And our last sentence, he will always support me whether I succeed or not. So he will always support me is an independent clause, and whether I succeed or not is a dependent clause, making whether the subordinating conjunctions. Thank you for listening to Writing 101 on conjunctions, and be sure to tune in next time.